going to discuss the positive and negative impact of technology on students. Before that, we will introduce our member. Next slide. First, Tiarika as the moderator, and Margaret Citra Edita and Aisyah Samilia. Okay, first, introduction. This topic is very relevant because technology has become a major part of modern education and student daily lives. Technology is widely used in education. Second, students use smartphone, laptop, and the internet daily. As you can see, technology is widely used in education today. Students regularly use smartphone, laptop, and the internet not only for communication but also for learning purpose. For example, they are use search to find information, online platform to attend class, and digital tools to complete assignment. Because of this, technology has changed how students learn and interest. Learning is no longer limited to physical classroom. Students can now access material from anywhere, community, instantly, and even learn independently through digital resources. At the same time, their interaction patterns have also changed as communication interestly happen through online platforms. However, while technology offers many advantages and opportunities, it also introduces several changes that affect student learning habits, behavior, and well-being. For this reason, it is important to understand both the positive and negative impact of technology in a balanced way. Now, let's start by discussing the positive impact of technology on students. I would like to invite my friend to continue. Okay, to Margaret, time is yours.
Okay, now I'm gonna explain about positive impacts. Technology provides many positive impacts for students, especially in improving access to knowledge and supporting the learning process. As you can see, the first, technology gives easy access to information. Today, students can find almost any type of learning material through the internet. They can access ebooks, online journals, educational videos, and many other resources. This is very different from the past, where students had limited access to information and had to rely mostly on print books. For example, when students don't understand a topic explained in class, they can search for additional explanation online. They may find videos that explain the topic step by step or articles that provide more detailed information. This allows students to learn more independently and explore topics beyond what is taught in the classroom. And second, technology improves learning efficiency. Students can study anytime and anywhere, depending on their needs and schedules. They are not limited to a specific time or place. For instance, they can review, record lessons, use educational apps, and repeat materials as many times as needed. This flexibility helps students manage their time more effectively. It also supports different learning styles and speeds. Some students may learn better by watching videos, while others prefer reading or practicing through exercise. Technology provides various options that can accommodate these differences. And third, supports interactive learning. Learning is no longer only about listening to teachers or reading textbooks. With technology, students can engage with the material in more interactive way. For example, videos and animations can make abstract or complex concepts easier to understand. Simulation can help students visualize processes that are difficult to see in real life. Quizzes and educational games can also make learning more engaging and enjoyable. As a result, students may become more interested in the subject and more motivated to participate actively in the learning process. In addition, technology enhances communication. Students can easily communicate with teachers and classmates through various digital platforms such as emails, messaging applications, and virtual classrooms. This makes it easier for students to ask questions, clarify instructions, and share ideas. For example, if a student does not understand an assignment, they can quickly contact the teacher for clarifications. Group discussion can also continue outside the classroom, allowing for better collaboration. And lastly, technology helps students develop digital skills. In today's world, digital literacy is an essential skill. By using technology regularly, students become familiar with different tools and platforms. They learn how to create documents, prepare presentations, and search for information, also evaluate the credibility of sources. These skills are not only useful for their studies, but also very important for their future careers, as many jobs require the ability to use digital technology effectively. However, despite all this positive impact, technology also has several negative effects that should be considered carefully. And now, I would like to invite my friends to explain further.
Okay, thank you. So, besides its many benefits, technology also has negative impact on students that need attention and awareness. One of the main issues is distraction from learning. While using technology for studying, students may easily be distracted by other activities such as social media, online games, or entertainment content. For example, a student may start by searching for study material, but then switch to watching videos or scrolling through social media. This reduces their focus and makes their learning less effective. Over time, frequent distractions can affect students' ability to concentrate and complete tasks efficiently. Another problem is over-dependence on technology. Some students rely too much on digital tools to find answers or complete assignments. Instead of trying to understand the material, they may depend on quick results from search engines or online sources. This can limit the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Students may become less independent in their learning process and less confident in their own abilities without technological support. Technology can also reduce face-to-face interaction. When students spend a lot of time using devices, they may interact less and directly with others. For example, instead of discussing topics in person, they may prefer communicating through messages. This can affect their communication skills, such as expressing ideas clearly, understanding nonverbal cues, and building strong social relationships. In addition, there is a risk of misinformation. Although the internet provides a vast amount of information, not all of it is accurate or reliable. Some sources might contain incorrect or misleading information. information, if students do not evaluate their sources carefully, they may accept false information as true. This can affect their understanding and the quality of their academic work. Therefore, it is important for students to be critical and selective when using online information. And lastly, excessive use of technology can cause health issues. Spending long hours in front of screens can lead to eye strain, headaches, and fatigue. It can also affect sleep patterns, especially when students use their devices late at night. In addition, reduced physical activity due to prolonged screen time may impact students' overall health. These health issues show that technology should be balanced with other activities. So that's all about the negative impacts of technology. Now I will return to my friend for conclusion.
Okay, thank you Margaret and Aicha for nice explanation. In conclusion, next slide please. In conclusion, technology has both benefit and drawback. Technology has both positive and negative impact on students. On one hand, it provides easy access to information, improve learning effective, support interactive learning, enhance communication, and develop digital skills. On the other hand, it can cause direction, over-dependence, reduce social interaction, mind formation, and health problems. This shows that technology is a powerful tool, but it needs to be used careful and responsibility. Therefore, students should use technology wisely and maintain a balance between using digital tools and engaging in real-life activity. So, thank you for your nice attention, and thank you for my friends who give the explanation. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.